You're a phytosa. You're eating well, maybe even taking collagen. But what if I told you it might be useless? Unless you pair it with one thing, a missing spark that activates collagen, and without it, your skin, joints, and bones keep silently breaking down. Think collagen will fix your joints after 50, not without this. You hit 50 and everything starts to change. Your skin thins, your knees ache, and your face tired, worn, sagging. Doctors may call it just aging, but underneath something deeper is happening. Your body's collagen levels are crashing quietly year by year. You lose 1% every year after 50. That's the protein holding your joints, bones, and skin together. And once it's gone, it doesn't come back easily. So you try to fix it with supplements. Collagen powders, pills. But here's the real shocker. Collagen won't work unless one missing nutrient is present. Most people miss it, and without it, the repair process stalls completely. You're taking collagen, but it might all be going to waste. Most people think collagen supplements are the fix. But here's the truth. Collagen on its own is useless. Your body can't activate it. And to activate collagen, your body needs vitamin C. Why? Because vitamin C is required to turn collagen into usable form. Without it, your body can't build or repair anything. No vitamin C. Then that expensive collagen powder, it just passes through your system without doing a thing. And the problem gets worse after 50, because your vitamin C absorption drops with age. That means you may be deficient even if you eat healthy. So yes, collagen matters, but without vitamin C, it's like trying to build a house without any workers. Here is what happens when collagen and vitamin C work together. When collagen meets vitamin C, the real magic begins. Vitamin C doesn't just assist, it's the trigger your body uses to turn collagen into active repair tools. That means stronger joints that don't crack every morning, skin that looks firmer, not paper thin, and bones that stay dense, instead of silently shrinking with age. Vitamin C helps your body stitch collagen into tissues. Think of it as the needle and collagen as the thread. No needle, no stitching. But with both together, your body starts to rebuild itself from the inside out. And the best part, this combo isn't just for healing, it's for prevention. It slows aging at the source, your connective tissues. These subtle clues could mean your body is starving for collagen. Your body doesn't always shout when something's wrong. Sometimes it whispers. Here are the quiet signs your body might be desperate for: collagen and vitamin C. Your skin bruises easily. Even light bumps leave purple marks, a sign your blood vessels are weak. Your gums bleed when brushing. Vitamin C deficiency can weaken gum tissue and slow healing. Slow wound healing. If small cuts take too long to close, your collagen network might be breaking down. Your joints crack or feel stiff, especially in the morning, a sign your cartilage is wearing thin. You feel more tired more often. Low vitamin C affects your mitochondria, the energy engines of your cells. Most people miss these signs until the damage builds up. But the good news, these symptoms often reverse when you restore collagen and vitamin C the right way. You don't need expensive powders. These foods naturally rebuild collagen. Expensive collagen supplements aren't the only way to heal and rebuild. Nature already gave us powerful tools to boost collagen right on our plates. Here are the top collagen-boosting foods and habits. Vitamin C. Rich fruits, oranges, strawberries, kiwis, packed with antioxidants that jumpstart collagen production. Protein sources, bone broth, chicken, and fish provide the amino acids your body uses as collagen building blocks. Leafy greens, spinach, and kale have vitamin C and antioxidants that protect existing collagen from damage. Avoid smoking. Smoking breaks down collagen and speeds up skin aging. Stay hydrated. Water helps maintain the elasticity and health of your skin and connective tissues. Get enough sleep. During deep sleep, your body repairs and regenerates collagen. You don't have to break the bank for youthful skin and joints. Just fuel your body with these foods and healthy habits. Don't fall for these collagen lies that could waste your money. Collagen is a hot topic, and that means lots of myths floating around. Here are the biggest lies you need to ignore. Myth 1: more collagen supplements equal sign faster results. Taking huge doses doesn't guarantee better absorption. Your body can only use so much at a time. Myth 2: topical collagen creams rebuild your skin. Collagen molecules are too large to penetrate skin deeply. Creams hydrate, but they don't rebuild. Myth 3: only young people need collagen. In fact, after 30, your body's natural collagen production declines every year. Myth 4: vitamin C pills alone can fix everything. Vitamin C helps, but without collagen protein, your body can't rebuild tissue. Don't get fooled by slick marketing. Real results come from balanced nutrition, smart supplementation, and lifestyle choices. Aging steals collagen. Here's how to fight back. As you age, your body slows down collagen production by about 1% each year after 30%. This slow theft causes skin to sag, joints to ache, and bones to weaken. But here's the good news. You can fight back by feeding your body the right nutrients and avoiding harmful habits. You slow the damage. Sun exposure, smoking, poor diet all speed up collagen loss. But protecting your skin with sunscreen and eating antioxidant-rich foods help preserve what you have left. Remember, aging is natural, but accelerated aging is a choice. Make the right choices and your body will thank you with stronger skin and joints. Taking vitamin C. Here's the dosage that actually works. Vitamin C is key to collagen production, but too little or too much can be ineffective or even harmful. Experts recommend around 1,000 milligrams daily to boost collagen and support immune health. More than that, your body simply flushes it out. Keep in mind, vitamin C is water-soluble, so consistent daily intake matters more than mega doses. If you're over 50, absorption slows, so a slightly higher dose or better forms like liposomal vitamin C can help. Always pair vitamin C intake with a healthy diet rich in collagen, building nutrients to get the full benefit. Can't afford the $800 test? Here are simple ways to check your inner age at home. Not everyone can drop $800 on a fancy proteomics test. But don't worry, your body gives simple clues about your biological age every day. Try these easy at-home checks. Deritsing heart rating. Lower is better. A steady, calm heart means a younger biological age. Dull waist size. Excess belly fat raises inflammation. Keep it under 40 inches for men, 35 for women. Their recovery time after exercise. If you bounce back quickly, your body is staying strong and young. Total skin elasticity test. Pinch your skin if it snaps back fast. Collagen is doing its job. These aren't perfect, but they're affordable ways to keep tabs on your inner health. Ignoring these warning signs after 50 could cost you years off your life. Don't make this mistake. After 50, your body sends warning signs loud and clear, but many dismiss them as just aging. This mindset can be deadly. Watch out for these critical red flags. Or a sudden weight loss or gain. Could be thyroid, diabetes, or cancer. Dull persistent fatigue. Anemia, heart trouble, or organ issues might be behind it. Tostness of breast. Breathing trouble during daily tasks is never normal. Ototos, memory problems. Forgetfulness is one thing. Confusion and disorientation are another. Ortatus, swelling in legs or abdomen. Signals possible heart, liver, or kidney failure. Ignoring these symptoms delays treatment and puts your life at risk. If you notice any, see a doctor immediately.